Hello interioristas, my name is Ash Appleton. Welcome to An African Eye, the show that inspires you to bring more colour, personality and the energy of modern Africa into your home. My mission on here is to help you create a functional, beautiful, uplifting space, whether you're renting or you own your own home. It all begins here in my Africa Modern Eclectic apartment in Nairobi. It's very much work in progress and I'm trying to keep it real as I take you along on this journey. We promise to bring you a mix of attainable interior design tips and tricks, house tours and insights from creatives and other inspiring personalities. So stay tuned for episodes dropping every Friday. Subscribe and don't forget to ping the notification bell so that you don't miss out. And I love to hear from you, so please drop me a line and follow along on Instagram and Facebook too. See you soon.